Welcome back. We have a 5-beam basement for this home. Most of the beams are floating on one end, and one beam is pocket to pocket. 2 custom columns resting on the step foundation to ensure solid beam placement. Let's take a look as Dan sets these beams for the customer. Safe and sound. A bolted wood plate lets you brace with little effort. And with the bolted beam, it has never been easier. No more convoluted bracing, and no more bent over nails. Let's keep watching to see the end result. Custom columns in this style basement work great. Perched on top of the foundation wall and tucked into the framing, allow for the finishers to drywall with ease. Another great way to create the perfect space for a lasting home. Kozel Steel's bolted beam has never looked so good. We hope you enjoyed the job site. Give us a call today to schedule your worry-free installation. See you next time.